1965 Chevy C10 with a 400 small block. It's got long tube headers. The customer's rebuilt the whole car himself. He put these headers on, then he brought it to us, and we ran 2.5-inch true dual all the way back into his FLOWMASTER 40 series mufflers, there and there. And then we continued it 2.5 all the way back tailpipes, there and there, into 4-inch tips right there. So it's a really beautiful truck. He's still working on it, getting it all finished up. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Much better. 110 sound decibels. It peaked at 110. Again? Sounds good. You happy? I like it. All right. Oh, that sounds so good. Nothing beats FLOWMASTER for these old cars. Chevy C10, baby. You don't see these much anymore. The customer makes them look beautiful and we make them sound beautiful. I'm gonna let you guys see under the hood. All right, can you tell us about the motor, sir?
Yeah, it is a Summit Racing 400 small block, pulling about 410 horses. It's got Vortex heads on it, solid lift cam, solid lifts. That's about it. And it's a project in the making.
Heck yeah. Look at that. Beautiful motor. If you don't like that, I don't know what you like. You ain't living if you don't like that. That's beautiful. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave your comments in the comment section and tell us what you guys think. It's a beautiful truck. And amazing how tailpipes change the whole sound of it.